Hey guys, today we have a $30 lucky bag from Cutie Creative and we have a yummy burger. First, I like to show you our extra, and it's this banana squishy, and hello, could it be more realistic? Like seriously, it looks just like a real banana. I'm not sure if this is like J-Dream or someone else, but that is crazy. And it feels really squishy. It feels almost like a balloon or something. Wow. And I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to peel it, but unless it comes out. But yeah, I'm afraid to rip it. That is crazy. I've never seen a more realistic looking squishy. And our purchase item is this yummy burger, which is humongous. Ooh, bigger than I expected. Like, it looked really big in the pictures. And now I can see why it was a little on the pricier side, because it is massive. And there are different ones you can collect. There was like fries. I don't know if I've seen the drink. And then we have those mini ones that came out recently, but out of all the large fast food ones, this is the only one I got. There's also another yummy burger with the closed eyes, but yeah, they're pretty pricey, so I just opted to get one. And it's got like the lettuce, tomato, cheese, and of course the like chocolate and the sprinkles on the top. Wouldn't be Yummy Bear without that. And there's the licensing, does it still say 2018? 2018 creamy candy. Oh, and it smells like pineapple, which is like my favorite fruit, so I'm pretty psyched about that. So now on to the lucky bag. I haven't actually got one of these in a while. I ordered some last year and they took a really long time to get here because of Canada Post. And then one felt like an older lucky bag, one was a little bit newer. So let's see what we get. Ooh, oh my goodness. The first item in our $30 lucky bag, this is a $30 lucky bag, is a Yummy Bear, and this just came out. It's the Flower Fields Yummy Bear. That is insane. I think the two that I got were $40 ones, and in my recent experience, and it might just be my luck, but in my recent experience, I've noticed that the $30 lucky bags actually seem even more value or better than the $40 ones, which is kind of not what you expect. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the acrylic tag. And this is a collab with Glory Sign. So pretty. Look, there's the Mr. Flippy as well. So the packaging is super pretty. It has a really nice floral scent. It smells like flowers. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks almost like honey's dripping or something. And it's got like little eyelashes, so it's a girl one. Wow, the smells from this squishy package are amazing with the pineapple and the floral. The next item is one of these donut bunnies. And I think I already have one of these, but I don't know if it's the same color. So I'll have to double check. So I just checked and we do have the same color. So I'm going to keep in the packaging and save it for a future giveaway. But it's a really great squishy. And it's by Cutie Creative. So yeah, so far this is a pretty fantastic lucky bag. Ooh, this is brand new too. It's an eye bloom. I don't know how to pronounce it. Uririn? It's always amazing when you can get an eye bloom squishy in a $30 lucky bag. That's just insane, actually, if you think about it. Ooh, feels really nice. It's really soft. It smells like strawberry. So I've seen these online and I wasn't particularly interested, but it's actually a really great squishy. It's like a good size. It smells wonderful. Oh, the next item is this baby Pole Dango. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'm so glad that I got this because, again, this is probably not one that I would have selected. Oh. Looks like it's non-resealable packaging. Why would they do that? Yikes. Yep, it's completely sealed. So I think I'm actually going to keep that in the packaging because it's just so nice and I don't want to ruin it. And I would have expected there was a stick, but it's just soft. That's awesome, Squishy. I'm quite impressed with everything we've gotten. It'd be nice if that was not resealable, or that if it were resealable though, because it looks really, really squishy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we got 2 more. Ooh, this one's gorgeous. I'm not sure exactly what kind of cake this is, but it's really pretty. Oh my goodness. And it's so soft. I thought it was scented, but I think everything in this package just smells like pineapple because it was in with a Yummy Bear. That is beautiful. And last item. Ooh. Is this mini Umeno sheep. That is amazing. I have a couple of these. I don't know if I have this color, but it's gorgeous. So unfortunately, this is also a double for me, but it's super cute and I'm sure I can find a happy home for it. It's a little bit sticky on the back. I'm not sure why. Thank you so much, Cute Creative, for this wonderful, wonderful lucky bag. I'm really impressed. And yeah, if you can snag one of these, I totally recommend them. I think they usually come out on Wednesdays, maybe. I'm not sure. But yeah, they're really great value. There's a $30 bag and a $40 bag. I've actually think I've found more success with the $30 bag, but it might just be a coincidence. Anyway, if you'd like a shout out in a future video, please comment down below with the hashtag TinyLove. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, and you may be selected. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!